Welcome to day 7 of our 30 days challenge of doing 200 push-up per day. We are on day number 7, 23 more to go. And as I promised earlier on, I was going to do day 7 outside, but God has a different plan for us. He gave us some rain, but despite of the rain, we're going to get these push-up in. It's not as heavy, but it's coming down, so I'm going to get these push-up in before it starts pouring more heavier. Let's go. Now that's how you complete 200 push-up. Okay, we are through day 7, 23 more days to go. Stay tapped in, stay connected, let's get fit and stay healthy together. Peace out.